Hello and welcome to the AKEMI tutorial. In this short video we will show you how to create a stone care recommendation for you and your customer. Go on the Service tab and click on the stone care recommendation. Type in the name or a part of the name of your stone. In this case we will type in Carrara. Press then on the search button and select your type of stone in the list below. In this case, we will choose the Bianco Carrara. Click on this name. In the following page, you will choose the surface and the application area of your selected stone. You have various options to choose from in the application area. For example, a gravestone application, the application as a kitchen worktop, or also a bathroom and sanitary facility application. For our specific example, it is a floor in a living room, so we will choose the option internal floor stairs. Then you can choose your specific surface of the stone. You can choose between split, sawn, or also quarry rough surfaces, but also brushed, finished, grinded, or polished options are possible. In our example, it is a polished floor, so we will choose the polished option. You can also select between a slip resistance classification, which is prescribed by law, or a not compulsory resistance classification. In our case, it is not necessary to have a slip resistance, so we will select no. Press then on the Make Care Recommendation button to create your stone care recommendation. The stone care recommendation is created now and it is shown up in the following page. You see the name of your stone, the surface you have chosen, and the usage. Since the Carrara is a marble, it is important that for the initial cleaning you use an alkaline product. In this case, the AKEMI stone cleaner is recommended. If you would like to protect your stone, you will have the option to use the AKEMI stain repellent nano effect for your specific stone, in this case the Carrara marble. You also have a listed suggestion of products which you can use for your daily cleaning or can maintenance cleaning. In case of stain removal, you will also have a listed product recommendation of various products to use for your specific stone. You can then print out the list and hand it out to your customer.